I had a really wonderful interaction with my kids this morning. They have started to be interested in listening to the Getting into the Vortex meditations. My daughter said something hilarious that I wanted to share with you, which is that she said, "Papa, I don't understand any of this, but it's sure fun to listen to."
Says it all, doesn't it?
It really does.
Yeah, because on some level she is feeling the harmonics of it. And she understands more than she is ready to acknowledge. Yeah. There's much more taking place in a gathering like this than the verbal interaction. It's a vibrational interaction. And that's what she's describing, is that feeling of resonance. And so her mind is making sense of the vibration of it. Isn't that interesting?
It feels good to her.
Your mind makes sense of the vibration of things. And the thing that is the most confusing to children is when their mind is making sense of the vibration of things, but the words say something confusing. And so that's why it's always a good idea to talk to your kids as much as you can, but only talk to them when you know you're in alignment. But talk to them as much as you can, but only when you know you're in alignment. But talk to them as much as you can, but only when you know you're in alignment. Because the rest of the world's talking to them all the time. But it's nice to have someone who's talking to them from that place that feels so good. Yeah, really good.